Apart from the Galaxy S22, Samsung has also launched a new lineup of flagship tablets in its Unpacked event. The Galaxy Tab S8 series comes in 3 models, and we get to check them out in an early media preview session in the morning as well. And here are my thoughts about them. The Tab S8 series is obviously the direct answer to Apple's iPad Pros. The regular Tab S8 and S8 Plus continues to come with a 2K 120Hz 11-inch and 12.4-inch display respectively, with the exception of the Tab S8 Plus equipped with a Super AMOLED display. The Tab S8 Ultra, on the other hand, sports a huge 14.6-inch 3K Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and looks absolutely stunning compared to the other two. All tablets are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip and supports microSD storage expansion. Now let's talk more about the Tab S8 Ultra, which I spent quite some time with it during the media preview. Now, you guys would have known pretty well that Samsung's flagship tablets are actually pretty capable laptop substitutes, all thanks to the Samsung DeX feature. And the Tab S8 Ultra's bigger screen aesthetic can finally make that even more useful, as it can open more apps and do real multitasking. There is a small notch on the screen that houses a wide and ultra-wide 12-megapixel camera, which I think isn't too obtrusive as the MacBook Pro's notch, and it's super useful when you needed an ultra-wide angle view to do group video calls. On the back, you get the same 13-megapixel wide and 6-megapixel ultra-wide dual camera setup as the regular Tab S8, which I think is sufficient on a tablet for scanning documents and casual social media photos. As usual, there is a book cover keyboard that comes with the Tab S8 Ultra that serves as an adjustable kickstand like any other 2-in-1 devices. It is pretty solid, that holds the tablet really well, and the backlit keyboard has a solid typing experience and a trackpad that's lush enough to do gestures and navigate around the user interface. Though sadly, the keyboard can only be used at a flat angle instead of a tilted angle like the Surface Pro's cover keyboard. I am definitely concerned about the usage comfort, but I'll reserve my thoughts on that until I get to test out the actual unit. As a 14.6-inch device, the Tab S8 Ultra weighs 726 grams, which is very heavy if you hold it on hand, but not too much if you transport it around like a laptop. Even with the book cover case installed, it wouldn't be as heavy as the iPad Pro Smart Keyboard and stays well below a kilogram, which makes it a good device to transport around. So I think most people are going to look at the Tab S8 Ultra as a computer more than a tablet. But the question here is, can it actually become an alternative to Windows laptop in spite of its amazing multimedia capabilities? Well, the answer to this question depends on your type of workflow as usual. This is definitely a premium productivity device for sure and will work perfectly fine for emails, web browsing, video calls, and online classes. But one thing for sure is that it offers the ultimate portable content consumption experience that is hard to get on a regular laptop. And that's what the Tab S8 Ultra is all about. So yeah, I think the Tab S8 Ultra is definitely going to appeal to a number of people that wants a premium content consumption experience on a tablet and digital artists that prefer a larger canvas than Apple's iPad Pro. So as usual, we will be getting a review in it after this, and I hope to tell more about it in the review. So definitely stay subscribed on the channel for that, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.